Hello students, 10th standard maths, first chapter, relations and functions. The notation of sets provides the stimulus for learning higher concept in mathematics. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. This means that a set is merely a collection of something which we may recognize. In this chapter, we try to extend the concept of sets in two forms called relations and functions. What is relation? Relation involves pair of objects in a particular order. What is function? Function is mapping or transformation because as the rule. A function can generate new elements out of some given elements. What do you mean by pair of objects in a particular order? It is ordered pairs. What is ordered pair? Ordered pair is a pair of elements which are used only in a specific way in a particular order. For example, 4, 2. This 4, 2 is actually a point in a graph and is an ordered pair. The first element always denotes x coordinate. The second element always denotes y coordinate. Therefore, 4 is in x coordinate and 2 is in y coordinate. 4, 2, 2, 4 are two ordered pairs. In this ordered pairs are not same. Therefore, they both are not the same. The same is plotted in this graph. First one is 4, 2. 4 is in the x coordinate and 2 is in the y coordinate. And the second one is 2, 4. 2 is in the x coordinate and 4 is in the second coordinate. So, from this graph is clear that these 2 points are not the same. In this same way, these two ordered pairs are not the same. Cartesian product of sets. Now, Cartesian product of sets. What do you mean by Cartesian product? We know order is a set of all the ordered pairs of elements of two sets is called Cartesian product. Consider A is equal to 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 5, 6, 7. Formula for Cartesian product. A cross B is equal to A, B, A such that set of A and B such that set of B. In this cross, we will get A cross B is equal to the first element of A is related to the first element of B. The first element of A is related to the second element of B. The first element of A is related to third element of B. In this way, the second element is related to first element and the second element of A is related to the second element of B and then second element of A is related to the third element of B. And then third element of A is related to the first element of B and then third element of A is related to the second element of B and then third element of A is related to the third element of B. So, A cross B is equal to 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7. In the same way, B cross A is equal to 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 4. In this chapter, relation and function, we quite commonly come across few terms like domain, codomain, image, pre-image and range. Now we are going to see what is domain and codomain. Let us consider A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7. The same set can be represented in this way in Venn diagram. Therefore, the set of all elements in A is domain and the set of all elements in B is codomain. Therefore, domain is equal to 2, 3, 4 and codomain is equal to 5, 6, 7. Image and pre-image. The same set can be represented in this way in Venn diagram. Therefore, 2 is assigned to 5, 3 is assigned to 6 and 4 is assigned to 7. So, 5, 6, 7 are image. What is pre-image? Pre-image is the element of A is connected to the given elements. 2 is the pre-image of 5. 3 is the pre-image of 6. 4 is the pre-image of 7. Range. Here A is equal to 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in this arrow diagram, 3 elements of A corresponds only the 3 elements of B. That is 5, 6, 7 and these 5, 6, 7 are the image of element in A. And we are having the pre-image in the A. And 8 is not the image of any of the element in A. So 5, 6, 7 are range from this arrow diagram. So we know that domain is equal to 2, 3, 4 and codomain is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and range is equal to 5, 6, 7. This is the part of introduction of relations and functions. Thank you.